Hey guys, it sure is sunny out. Why is it raining?
No, where's the rainbow? Make sure to check out snakes and weapons.
Did you guys see a rainbow?
No.
Why is it raining? It's a little slick. Be careful, ladies. Whoa, that's a good block. You can't put your hand in the basket. That's totally cheating. Can't land on him. Snakes, where's your stick? Come on, you gotta get the rebound, Jess. Snakes. You can't put your hand in the basket, bro. Yeah. All right, so let's start. 0-0. Snakes, get out of the way. 1-0. Oh my gosh. One. All right, Snakes gets a try. Oh, game over.
Game over.
Are you getting wet? Why is it raining? All right, Karen gets a shot. It's actually was whatever. You're trash. Go get the ball, violator.
Go, buddy.
Oh, alley-oop! Hold on. Karen has to take it out because it's 2-1. No, you got to let Karen take it out. You guys, you seen a rainbow?
What?
There should be a rainbow. Come on, don't land on him. All right, 2-2. 2-3. Come on, Karen, payback. Oh, threes. Manna, what are you doing? Oh, you tried to goaltend. 4-3.
Oh my God. No! The ball!